Today we're trying the Pokagon State Park Hills Pointe Challenge.
Disappointed that it's on a gravel road though. Finally on some actual trails, but we're still right beside the road here. If you can see there. Definitely interesting. We've already done almost a mile on pavement. We're coming up on Spring Shelter. That's our second picture we have to get. Looks like we're at Spring Shelter. Very rustic. Got a hole in it. We are on Trail 7 right now, going into the wetlands, and there's supposedly a wetland overlook we have to go to, so we'll see how that looks. And these are the wetlands. You can see over there about where they're at. So here's the lookout. It's definitely a lot better than the other one, wouldn't you say? So there was a decapitated bunny head on the trail. I'm pretty sure it was a, I think coyotes leave the heads. So I'm just glad my daughter didn't see it. I'm not gonna put it on video either. So we're moving along through the wetlands. Like the sun is awful right now. This is the weird part, coming over a road. It says right here, it's just hot. Like all the markings and everything are weird. "84 stairs, going straight up to Hell's Point. Starts here. This is it. There's nothing. One more picture to take. We're almost done. Almost there. There's a lot of road crossings. We're at our last picture stop, Lake Lunendal. Lunendal. I don't know if that's how you say it or not. This hike isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's still a tough hike. The sun and everything. It's just a combination of everything, and it's 8 miles. So, one thing to note about this hike is if you decide to do the challenge, I have had service this entire time, so that's a plus. But you don't feel isolated unless you're in the wetlands. And then it feels like you're beside the road. You can hear the road the whole trail, except the wetlands. So, little information if you decide to try it. Did hit our last photo though, yay! Now we got a 2-mile trek back to the car. What? So we're back on the bicycle trail on the pavement. It sucks. Hurts your feet. Excited we're almost there? The car is right there. We did it. High five. Now we have to go back into the nature center here and prove that we did it. And then we'll get our sticker. Well, we did it. When they gave us a bottle, we're getting the stickers mailed to us. Because they were out. Hey guys, so it has been a couple weeks since we completed the challenge. And we did get our stickers in the mail. And that's what they look like right there. And we got 3 because we all 3 completed the challenge. So yeah, definitely would recommend checking this challenge out if you're ever up near northern Indiana on the Michigan line. So it's called Pokagon State Park. Look it up, check it out, and go try this challenge. As always, guys, thanks for watching.